6,000 tons of waterlogged trash has been hauled away from Eagle Point Energy Center in Orrington in just over 2 weeks. Town officials today gave us an update on the total amount crews have been able to transfer to Juniper Ridge landfill in Old Town. Before fire broke out on Epic's tipping floor earlier this month, we're told about 6,000 tons of trash remained at the facility. In the wake of the fire, town officials say the Maine Department of Environmental Protection mandated Epic clear all of it out. Because it's since been doused in more than 1 million gallons of water, the weight of the waste being transferred is higher than that initial 6,000-ton figure.